Greetings from the apocalypse. So I'm going to show you today how to use something called a swaging block, which is this. A swaging block is something that you use to help you form metal. You know, it's got little curves in it so that we can whack. I'll show you how to quickly get a ring shank together on it and things like that. Now, they make steel ones, but I think that's like way too hard because it leaves marks in your metal, and I'm sure you've heard me say a million times, I don't want to put a mark in that I'm gonna have to clean up because I don't want to fucking clean up. So I love wood. Now, we made them here for years. We had them made for us and we used them. And we were thinking about making our own, but then this Whaley one came on the market and we tried it out, and you know what? I love it, and it does everything that we wanted to do. So no reason for us to make our own if this one is here and serves all our needs. So I'll show you how to use it today. Swaging block is just something you use to help make a ring, and this is also a great thing to have like at home in your home studio if you don't have like big stakes or like, you know, things like that. I like the wood because it's hard enough to move the metal, but it won't leave marks. So I've got my little strip here that we reticulated, and I can just put it right there. I can put the mandrel on top and whack. Now this one I'm going to deliberately overlap because I think that will be fun. But normally, of course, then you would start sliding it and you would wrap your ring around and tap it around whatever size you're trying to get. This one I'm just kind of having fun with, so. You see what I mean? This is just, I feel like the swaging block is just such a fast and easy way to just get something round that I use it all the time. Now, there's all kinds of things that I can do with this ring. I can melt the edges more, I can hammer it, I can saw away, I can grind. But I mean, essentially, I whacked it together, you know, and ta-da, it's a ring. So very instant gratification, which is fun.
And it will fit many sizes.
Well, yeah, I mean, I can adjust it to whatever size. I didn't even try to make it a very specific size. I kind of just whacked it together. But if I was trying, like, okay, I need a size 7 or whatever, that's why I have my ring mandrel. But that's what I mean by this is just like such a fast and easy way to like, ta-da, there's your ring. You can solder it closed. If you're doing an overlapped one, you can solder it closed or not. You know, it's just, it's fast and easy. So that's it.